One of the newest products from EZTRUNK is our new door cart. What's great about it is you can bring it with you everywhere you go. It's good for 2 doors and 4 doors. And what's nice about it is, like, when you get to a hotel, you can actually put your doors on and roll them in the hotel. So works real well. It's real compact, has nice wheels. It's going to be coming with 4-inch wheels, and one of the new products we offer. And they just clip right in the holes, and they're nice and secure for storage. Or 4-door. You can store stuff on here, or you could just take this and use it like that. The 2-door will come like this. The 4-door will give you an extra piece that works like this. One of the other new products that we have is you need security. One of the cool things about a trunk, our trunk, is it folds away. One of the bad things about the normal trunk, they're always in the way, especially if you have a 2-door. Okay, our trunk comes from a 2-door or 4-door. They're in the way all the time. So if you're going places and you put something in it, you really don't have any space. Well, with ours, the seat goes down and you can actually use it with the seat up, okay, for the 2-door or the 4-door. Now this thing's in the way because I just went to Home Depot or Lowe's to buy something. Real simple. All you do is grab it like this and fold it down, and you have access to your entire Jeep. And that's the difference between EZTRUNK and everybody else. It's a patented product, and it works really well. You need an EZTRUNK for that security. It stops snatch and grab, and it gives you a sense of a peace of mind when you're eating or going places or going to the beach or using the restroom on the road.